Hello everybody, Kilo Bravo 9 Uniform Zulu Oscar at the Eastern Colorado Repeater Association, coming to you live technically from System 1, but inside the shop. Behind me we have System 2's telecom cabinet. Let me switch that around here. So we have System 2's telecom cabinet. We have today put the majority, about 65-70% of the major equipment as far as repeater equipment into the telecom cabinet, along with the controller. We're still waiting on the UHF duplexer and figure out what we're going to do with the VHF duplexer for System 2. But right now, the System 2 VHF repeater is on a temporary setup. Two separate antennas, a transmit and receive antenna in the back. And then around this way here, it's getting a little tight. Around this way we have the auxiliary equipment cabinet. This is where our mini PCs, this is where the Pis, this is where some of the backhaul, well, not backhaul, but background components are going to go, is in there. And we have System 2 on its cellular internet. I have not yet mounted the temporary cellular antenna, but we have that going on there, so it's pretty cool. And I don't know if too many people have been able to see what System 2's cabinet looks like. But this is what's going up on the CHS site there in Yuma, Colorado. What I wanted to share with you folks is that we finally got the audio backhaul tweaked between System 2 and System 1. So I'm going to key up, actually key up System 2 and let you guys hear it through System 1. So here we go. Let me turn that up a bit. I'm going to step a little far away so it doesn't hear me overdrive it. Kilo Bravo 9 Uniform Zulu Oscar. This will be System 2 through to System 1. System 2 through to System 1 via the audio backhaul. Successful test with System 2's about 65-70% of its components in the telecom cabinet. Kilo Bravo 9 Uniform Zulu Oscar testing. All right, so there you go. The audio backhaul is working. There's a few little tweaks that have to be made, but the telecoms cabinet is powered up, and the repeaters are in place. Repeater controller, about half of the auxiliary or ancillary equipment that goes in the back there. And yeah, so this is the on-air successful test of the audio backhaul between System 2 and System 1. So go team. All right, everybody, and appreciate folks. I know people like these little videos, this and that. So appreciate you guys stopping by and taking a look. 7-3 to everybody. Enjoy the week ahead. This is Brian, Kilo Bravo 9 Uniform Zulu Oscar with the Eastern Colorado Repeater Association. 7-3 to you.